Epictetus once said, "Remember then that if you think the things that are not your own but belong to others are your own, you will be hindered, you will lament, you will be disturbed, you will find fault both with gods and men. But if you think that only which is your own to be your own, and if you think what belongs to others as it really is, such as it is, you will never be compelled, never hindered, you will not lament, you will not blame, you will not flatter any person. Therefore aim to possess the things that are your own in life, and do not covet what belongs to others. If you desire something that is not within your power, know that you are liable to be disappointed. If you seek external things, you must remember that these are not within your control. Cultivate, then, the habit of self-examination, and be vigilant against the illusions and deceptions of the mind. Reflect upon the impermanence of all external circumstances, and recall that everything has its own nature and function. As you go about your daily life, practice maintaining your equanimity. When you are about to start upon some action, remind yourself what the nature of that action is. If you are going to bathe, picture to yourself the things that usually happen in the bath. Some people splash, some push, some use abusive language, and others steal. Thus you will more securely go about this action if you say to yourself, "I will now go bathe and keep my own mind in a state conformable to nature." And in the same manner, act upon every occasion. When you are offended at any man's fault, immediately turn to yourself and reflect on the similar failings in your own character, for he who knows himself knows human nature and bears with others. How often, when people accuse us of making mistakes, do we find that their accusations are not false? Think about your own shortcomings whenever you are tempted to criticize another. You may fetter my leg, but my will not even Zeus himself can overpower. The essence of philosophy is that a man should so live that his happiness shall depend as little as possible on external things. Secure your own good and happiness by refraining from seeking it outside yourself. Thus you will be happy in a manner that is independent of the changes and chances of fortune.